Sheena Katira is asking that how do you evaluate Indian economy status for the coming 3 years in view of the setback to economic activities due to pandemic? I don't know what is, I genuinely don't know that, what will be the state of the economy. But I would like to, tilt towards little optimistic. 3 years is a long period. I don't know how much, what is this magnitude, what is the scale of setback for our economy. Most of the numbers are still not out. We know that, companies are making less money. Some companies have, have virtually, their operations are shut. Look at airlines, cinema hall, and many other businesses. Many businesses are down. And many unexpectedly, many businesses, which should not have been down, they are disrupted for a variety of other reasons. They are unable to start their operations, logistic operations, second order, third order, fourth order, implications, markets are not open, or spurt in lockdown in different geographies leading to, disruption in the logistics or their ability to reach out to the consumer, or so different parts of businesses or activities of businesses getting disrupted, or manpower not being there, changing preferences, the investors becoming little, or consumers becoming little apprehensive. It is a big shock. It's a big change for everybody, and it's very difficult to anticipate the setback. So first we have to understand what the setback is. But I'm hopeful that I'm looking at the positive side of all this. That a lot has happened in this crisis, which makes me think that we should be okay. We should be out of the woods in 1.5 years time, and 3 years time, all the steps being taken, all the agri and rural sector reforms, all the way business are being done. Every day we are moving on in some direction of reforms. The way, something which has not been talked about in the last 2-3 months, that there is a big banking reform which is underway. 10 public sector banks got merged or got consolidated into 4. The public sector bank, which actually guzzle up a lot of the deposits in the country, they need to be reformed on their operational front in terms of setting up accountability, and the government is on the verge of announcing that significant thing. So the reform of the real kind is very much underway. Many things will start showing results in this 2-3 years time period. So I'm very hopeful. I'm confident that we will be a stronger, better economy, more resilient economy in 3 years time frame. But how exactly? But don't worry about the economy. Worry about specific investments. Because there are companies which will do exceedingly well, exceptionally well, despite the bad weather. Once we are out of this crisis phase, which is 2 to 3 quarters, and there are companies which are doing well even now. There are companies which are surprisingly, they have not been as impacted as expected. So we are getting all kind of surprises when these, the first quarterly result is coming out every day. Nearly, 500 results are out already, and we have got plenty of surprises. So specific on individual investments, economy doesn't matter, because there will be great companies in a bad economy, and there will be bad companies in a great economy as well. So get focused.